Wow, look at that. Do you believe it? This is my beautiful and amazing gaming laptop. And here I have my iPhone 12 Pro Max. Bro, today I want to show you how to editing video in your iPhone 12 Pro Max and see the video directly in an external screen. Okay, like my computer. I want to use mirror, ApowerMirror to show you this. Okay, let me show you. As you can see, this is my phone. Amazing phone, beautiful. I have Premiere. Let's open. Beautiful. This is my project, and this is the project here. Okay, and I want to connect to my computer and watch the video. Okay, just like that, but in a great screen. Wonderful. What can you do? This is simple. Come here, do something like that. Okay, I have screen mirror. Beautiful. And as you can see, nothing. Come on your computer, take your seat, and I have what? I have ApowerMirror. Wonderful. Now you need to connect ApowerMirror to a phone with Bluetooth or something. Okay, as you can see, follow the instruction. I don't recommend you to use the USB. No, just do this wirelessly. Okay, now I have ApowerMirror here. Click on this and look at very well. This is what I'm talking about. This is what I'm talking about. It's definitely not a joke. This is now my new Premiere Raj. Look at how is it with the appearance change because it's connected to external device. Do you believe this? Do you? This is what I'm talking about. It's not a joke. Definitely not a joke. Wow. This is what I'm talking about. Now look at when you move, it move. When you move, it move. Just like that. Okay, you can now edit your videos and see all of this directly in your PC, on your Mac, something like that. You need ApowerMirror to do this. Wow, this is so great. Look at how you see all of this. Wonderful, and it's working very well. You can also use your gaming mouse or your trackpad. Just come here, click on this one, and connect your phone to Bluetooth to access to this thing. Okay, now look at when we do this, nothing but look at this. Look at the screen. Can you see something? Look at it move. Do you believe this? The same move. With this, you can do something in your beautiful screen. Like what? Look at. You can see nothing here. But when I do this, I can move. And when you do this, just simple, nothing. You need double click. Okay, double click with your mouse or double click in your trackpad to make this button appear. Look at very well. Okay, double click. Okay, look at very well. One, no, double click or yeah. Okay, double click. Wonderful. It's not a joke. And now you can do this and you can move. You can go, for example, here. Okay, come here. You can click, go back. Okay, and do the same thing. Come here. Okay, do something like that. Go back. Double click. Click on play, and this is what I'm talking about. Okay, beautiful. I'm gonna click on play. I'm gonna click on this computer on stop play. Stop play. Let me go back. Let me do this when you click on go on this. Look at what you have here. Look at what you have here. Okay. Okay. Now go back. Okay. Nice. Nice. Go back again. Okay. When hold this thing, have like do wonderful. You can do the same action. Move to what you want. Okay. Beautiful. And it's working. Okay. Wonderful. Look at the screen. The screen is blockage. Nothing in the screen. You can see you move, but no reaction here. What can you do? You can disconnect your beautiful, your beautiful text, your beautiful Premiere from this. You can also have this logo to go back just like that and look at what you have. Okay, let's do the same action. Redo, change the position. Okay, it's closed. When you change the position, every time you will see it's blocked like that. This is maybe because of of this Apple soft or problems like that. Now let me do something like what? Let's try to see if it's open, yes or no. Okay. Okay. Really close. No problem. Now open again. ApowerMirror. And what? Welcome. Beautiful. Go on your phone. Screen mirroring. Connect to ApowerMirror quick. Beautiful. Now look at what you have. What I have here. Okay, connect it. Nice. You are back. And you are back. Let me do something like that. Click to this cursor. Okay, mouse. Welcome. And it's turn. It's realized to turn. It help you to watch your videos. This is what it can do, just like that. This is a mirror of what you do with Adobe Premiere Rush in your computer. Okay, this is what I'm talking about. What do you think about this now? Is it useful? Yes or no? Say to me what you think about this. No? Get ready. Don't forget to share and Happy New Year. Look at how it's so fast. Very, very, very fast. Thank you for watching. And also that this video is good, it's amazing. Fire. Hi. I love you. Thank you.